Welcome, my witches, wanderers, and seekers. Today, we cross the threshold into February. The air is still crisp, the ground frozen hard, but beneath the surface, something is stirring. We are entering the season of late winter. This is the time of the hidden spark, the promise kept in the dark. Today, under the illumination of the full moon, our theme is Sacred Flame Beneath the Ash. Let us center ourselves in this moment. Close your eyes if you are able, and breathe into the deep, quiet places of your being. Repeat after me, or simply let these words settle into your heart. I tend the quiet flame beneath the ash. What I nourish in stillness will rise in time. Now take a nice deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and on the next inhale, let's say it again together. I tend the quiet flame beneath the ash. What I nourish in stillness will rise in time. Feel that truth. You do not need to be a raging bonfire right now. It is enough to be the ember, warm, steady, and waiting. Late winter teaches patience. It is perhaps the hardest lesson for those of us who crave the bloom in spring. We look at the bare branches and the gray sky, and we worry that nothing is happening. But not all growth is visible. The roots are drinking deep. The seeds are cracking open in the soil. Just because you cannot see the fruit of your labor yet does not mean that the work isn't happening. The full moon tonight shines a light on this truth. Everything you need is already here, glowing softly beneath the layers of rest and retreat. Your attention is the fuel. Where you place your focus, even quietly, is where the heat will build. For your witch's practice this month, I invite you to embrace the subtle power of that hidden flame. Choose one intention to tend quietly this month. Don't shout it from the rooftops. Don't post it on social media. Keep it close to your chest, like a secret treasure. This might be a creative project, a personal boundary, or a new habit. Protect it, nurture it in silence. Let it grow strong in the dark before you expose it to the harsh light of the world. Treat your attention like the breath that keeps the ember alive. Steady, gentle, and constant. Our magical work for this cycle centers on sustained focus and subtle endurance. This is not the magic of lightning strikes and sudden changes. This is the magic of the slow burn. It is the endurance of the seed that waits for the thaw. Tonight, under the full moon, visualize your intention as that single coal in the hearth. It does not need to roar to be powerful. It just needs to persist. Trust that your quiet devotion is building a fire that will warm you for months to come. Stay warm, keep your flame tended, and trust the timing of your own rising. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We'll see you tomorrow. Blessed be.